upcoming shows on there. I got videos on there. I got pictures on there. It's going real digital. If you want to tune in, stay tuned in to that MySpace.OJTheJuiceMan.com. There we go. There we go. So we get back.
I'm sorry, I was checking my text message. Anyways, I'm going to do a reaction video to this one guy, one screwdriver shit. The dude was acting in such a fool. Hold up, text message. Dude was acting. I'm just gonna put the phone to the side. Dude was acting such a fool that I want to see what the hell he acting a fool about. But hold on, find this shit again. Do my reaction video since I ain't never did one before. Let me turn the TV down. Just watching BET.
You want demons. I think the only thing you will taste today is your own blood.
Why? Oh shit, why you doing that? What is that? Is he stabbing it? Oh no, that's the screwdriver. No, not in there. Oh shit. Oh. No. No. Who's... That's gotta be illegal. Why? That look like no blood. Why? Why would you do some shit like that? I don't get it. What's the point? Poor fella, first his cornrow, now his Jimmy Jam. What the hell is a cornhole? Never mind. Only one sexual organ left to destroy. See y'all in another 3 months, buddy. I guess. Hell no. Why he do that? I'm flabbergasted. I'm through. I'll see y'all later.